In this video, I will guide you through 3 solutions to fix your Sony Bravia TV not turning on. So if suddenly your Sony Bravia TV has refused to turn on and you've tried everything possible to turn on the TV and it still does not turn on, you want to go ahead and try these 3 solutions and see whether any option will actually work out for you. Now, the first solution is to basically just hard restart your Sony Bravia TV. So you want to go ahead and unplug your Sony Bravia TV from the wall socket, wait for about a minute, and then go over to the bottom of the TV where you have the power button, or you can just check at the back of the right hand side or left hand side of the TV for any power button. Once you find the power button of your Sony Bravia TV, you can go ahead and just long press on the power button for about a minute as well. And after that, you want to go ahead and plug the TV back to the wall socket and then try to turn it on using the power button at the bottom of the TV. Or you can as well use your remote control and see if that will actually fix your Sony Bravia TV not turning on. If that also does not work out for you, another thing you can actually try is to check the power cable of your Sony Bravia TV. Usually, if the voltage from your power source is actually too much, it might cause the power cable or power adapter to stop working, and in some cases it might even burn the power adapter. So what you want to do is to go ahead and check if your power adapter is actually working properly by unplugging it from the TV. Also, if you're perceiving any burnt smell from your power adapter, it might also mean that the power adapter has gotten burnt, probably because of a power surge. So you want to go ahead and just change your power adapter and try and see if that will work out for you. If your adapter is good, then you want to check the power cable and see if there is any damaged part of the cable that is making it not to work properly. And after you must have done that, before you proceed to turn on your Sony Bravia TV again, go ahead and unplug every other devices like your HDMI devices or headphone jack devices that is currently connected to the TV. Sometimes this can actually cause the TV not to work properly. So you want to go ahead and remove all of those cables, plug only the power cable, and try and see if that will actually fix your Sony Bravia TV not turning on. The last thing you might want to do is to go ahead and check your Sony Bravia TV remote control. This issue can sometimes be a problem with your remote control, so you want to go ahead and remove the batteries from your Sony Bravia TV remote control. You can just remove both batteries, and after removing the batteries, you just want to go ahead and long press on the power button for about 20 seconds. And after pressing and holding for 20 seconds, this is also a way of resetting the remote control. You want to come back and put back your batteries inside of the remote control again. Make sure your batteries are placed properly, and also if your batteries are bad, you want to make sure you change them as well. And then you can now try turning on your Sony Bravia TV again, and this time it might actually fix any problem you might be having with your Sony Bravia TV not turning on for any reason. If any of this solution did fix your Sony Bravia TV, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.